Here's the big idea for the whole series. This whole series falls under this big idea. Your relationships and mine, our relationships are meant to reveal and reflect the love and grace of Jesus. All of your relationships are married, dating, family, friendships. Every relationship is meant to reveal the love and grace of Jesus. And maybe that's a new thought for you. Maybe you never put this together that, well, the way that God designed our relationships and to have us committed to one another, there's a spiritual purpose. And that shouldn't be shocking because that's how God is, right? From the very beginning, God is relational. He's been pursuing His people from the very beginning and teaching us how to relate to one another so that our relationships would reveal His love and grace to mankind. Truth be told, our relationships are not about our needs. That's part of it, but not the most important thing. Our relationships aren't about human love and not just about being fruitful and multiplying, but they're about a loving God wanting to reveal Himself through His people so that a watching world will see that there's something different, that there is a God in heaven who loves them